Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Mai, a local Japanese cooking and dessert expert. 皆さんこんにちは、Mai です。Today, I want to show you how to make gluten-free gyoza from scratch. A few weeks ago, I started to reduce the amount of wheat that I consume after reading the articles about how gluten can affect you even if you don't have a specific food allergy. So I wanted to experiment with this and see what benefit I can achieve. So far, avoiding wheat is not too difficult because rice can be replaced in many cases. However, gyoza, one of my favorite Japanese dishes, is wrapped in wheat flour skin. And most of the gyoza wrappers available in stores are made from wheat flour. So I thought, why don't I try to make gyoza wrapper without wheat flour and enjoy homemade gyoza? In the first section, I will make the filling of gyoza. If you want to know the gyoza wrapper recipe straight away, please go to the gyoza wrapper section directly. You can jump to the section from the description below. Okay, so let's get started. 今日はグルテンフリーの餃子にチャレンジしてみたいと思います。First, boil the cabbage for a minute in boiling water. Then finely chop. Next, finely chop the spring onion. Remove the skin of the ginger. Add minced pork, salt, and black pepper into a mixing bowl and mix well until combined. Then add the vegetables, grated ginger, soy sauce, sake, sesame oil, and sugar to the bowl. Again, mix well until combined. The filling is now done, so I will keep this in the fridge and move on to the gyoza wrapper. Let's make the gyoza wrapper. Place rice flour, potato starch, and salt in a mixing bowl. Add hot water. Add vegetable oil. Then knead the dough until smooth. Roll the dough into cylinders. Divide the dough and round each portion into balls. Then, flatten the ball and roll into a circle using a rolling pin. Let's wrap the filling in the gyoza wrapper. Add vegetable oil to the pan and heat well. Place the gyoza and cook for 1 minute. Then add water and cover with the lid. Cook for further 4 minutes. Now the gluten-free gyoza is complete. For dipping sauce, I combine soy sauce, vinegar, and a small amount of chili oil. I definitely think this gluten-free gyoza tastes just as good as the standard gyoza. So, on this channel, I share about authentic Japanese home cooking, traditional Japanese sweets, and information about delicious local foods from Japan. If you're fans of all things Japanese and want to learn about our local food in depth, please subscribe to my channel. Also, I create a variety of traditional sweets called wagashi and share on my Instagram. You can search for @Miss Wagashi. Thank you for watching Miss Wagashi TV, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye!